welcome back to my channel. So the next thing that we want to do is to draw the end elevation in direction of arrow key, and don't forget that we are drawing the orthographic views in third angle projection. So for the end elevation in this direction, we are placing it here. So let's see what we are going to see. So for the end elevation, we are going to see a rectangle down here. Then we are going to see this shape like this. We are going to see it as it looks like this, and then this is going to give us a rectangle. So then this hole will be hidden from us. So those are things that we are going to put together as the end elevation in direction of arrow K. So what we need to do first, the first thing that we need to do is to come to this point on the front elevation with our 45-degree set square, and we draw a line in this direction. Okay, now so this line that we drew, so it intersect the horizontal lines that we drew from the plan. It intersect it here, intersect it at this point. They meet at this point, and they also meet at this point. Okay, another one that I need to draw is for this circle. So I need to draw a line from here to meet the line here. Also, this center line will also be extended to meet the line, and then I will also draw from here. I'll draw from here like this. Okay, so now all these points where the horizontal lines meet the inclined line that we drew with 45-degree set square, we are going to project them down here. So from here, I will draw a vertical line down. Okay, and from here I will draw a vertical line down here. Okay, from this point I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so this is a center line, so I will draw like this. Okay, then from this point I will draw a vertical line down. Okay, so also from this point I will draw a vertical line. From this point I will draw a vertical line. So from this point I will draw a vertical line like this. Alright, let's begin to bring out the shape one by one. First of all, I said we are going to see this rectangle here like this. So the rectangle that I'm talking about is this. So distance that we have from here to here, so this distance at this point here, so we have it like this. So this is the starting point, so it means that we are going to make this a thick line like this. And then when we go to this end and it goes like this, so this is the second end of the rectangle. Then we have this part to be the top of the rectangle here, and also this is the other part of the rectangle. Okay, so the other length of the rectangle. Okay, so we have the rectangle. So the next thing is for the hole. So where do we have the hole? If I go like this on this line and I come down like this, so this will be the part of the hole, though it is, as I said, it is hidden. So we draw it with short dashes line, and the other part, if I move like this and I come down here, so this is the second part of the hole, so which is also hidden from us. All right, so we have worked on those two parts. So the next thing that I want us to do is to get this rectangle here. So for this rectangle, so we have it at this point. So this is the starting point. If I follow this line like this and I come here, so it goes from this point to this point. That's what we have here. So it is from here to here, from here to here, and that's what we have here. So we have this point, and second part of it is that if I go on this line like this, I come down like this, I have this point and I have this point. So that is for the rectangle, so we make it a thick line. So you can see the way I'm bringing it out. It's very simple. All you need to know is the shape that you have to bring out. Okay, so this is the rectangle on that part. All right, so let's go on. So what is the next thing that we are going to see here? So we are going to see this line here. We are going to see this line, and that line is what we have at this point. So I'm going to make this a thick line like this. So the distance that we have from here to here, which is 8, from here to here. So where do we have it? So it starts from here. So and it goes like this. So like from here. So we have this point, and the second point is this point here. So if I follow this line, so we have it at this point here. Okay, so we have that. So I need to make this a thick line. So I want us to bring it out one by one, so that you can see that orthographic projection is very, very simple. Okay, so and then, so what about this distance from here to here, which is 20, from here to here, which is 20? So we have the starting point is this point. So if I come down like this, and I come down here, so I have this point here, I have this point, and then so the second point is here, if I come like this, so we have the second point at this point here. So I need to make this a thick line. So we have already taken the other part. So we have this point. Now what about this shape that we have here? So the angle here is 45 degree that it makes with this point is 45, with this point is 45 degree, and also the angle that this line makes with this point is also 45 degrees. So all I need to do is to take my 45 degree set square. Okay, so I will take it, so place it at this point. So I placed at this point here, and I will draw a line in this direction. Okay, then I will bring it to this point also, and I will draw a line from here. So they intersect there. So and then I'll make this a thick line. So this will be a thick line from here to here, and also this will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, so you can see that the shape of the end elevation has been put in place. Okay, so we have this shape now. We have this shape. So this line, so they are formed here like this, as we have it like this. So this rectangle is shown here, and this rectangle here is shown here. So this circle, so we have it at this point here. So what I said before, that there is a line that we are supposed to show. This line is supposed to show in both the plan and the front elevation. So let me first of all put it on the front elevation. So what I need to do from here is that from this point where these two lines that intersect, I will draw a horizontal line like this. So it is hidden in the front elevation. So I will need to make this line with short dashes line. So you can see the way I got it. So if I don't get the end elevation, I cannot do this, I cannot draw this line. Well, some people may be able to draw it too. So but for me, I think this is how I can get it. So this is this part that we cannot see when we are looking at this object in direction. We can't see this point in the front elevation. So I've gotten it now, after I've gotten it at this point. Now the next thing that we are going to do is that we need to show it in the plan also. So it has to be a straight line in the plan. So how can we get that? So all I need to do is to draw a vertical line from this point. So draw a vertical line from this point. We're almost at the same. Okay, so I will draw a vertical line from this point here. So draw a vertical line from this point. So wherever it touches this inclined line, so I'll just take it. So take it backward like this. Then, so that's the line. So all I need to do is to draw a thick line here. So we see this line like this. We see it here. So we see this line here. It's a straight line, so we have it in the middle there. So this is how the end elevation will look, and this is the front elevation, and this is the plan. It's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching, and keep on practicing. God bless you.